What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning to everyone. Good morning sa ating lahat. Isang nakakalokang morning to everybody. Ayan, nakatulog naman ako ng maayos. Hindi naman ako binangungot kagabi. Charis! Nakakatawa pa naman ako kasi hindi naman siya parang something related talaga sa aking job. I mean, sa aking work or work routine, guys. Sabi nga ng ilan na wag ko daw i-compare yung facility ko before, yung work routine ko. It has nothing to do with my routine or work. No. It has something to do with the people that surrounds me, with the people that teach me for the new policy, new routines, new everything. It has something to do with the management. I feel that I am being bullied. Now, magbasa lang tayo ng Charis, ng mga comments sa inyo. Meron pang nag-PM sa akin, Diyos ko Lord. Sabi sa akin, ginagawa mo lang parang ginagawa mo lang to for the content. Diyos ko Lord. Diba? Meron talagang uusbong at uusbong na mga hater. Baka isa na naman to si Jackass na naman yung dati. Shalak! Ayan, basahin lang natin yung mga comment para makapag-react naman ako doon sa mga comments. Sabi dito, let's see. It's sad reality that bullying in nursing is happening. Resigning from work may be the last resort, but generally open discussion is needed to resolve this friction at work. Yes, that is correct. I just did not expect that this would happen to me in this facility. First and foremost, the reason why I have chosen this facility is because this facility or hospital, facility/hospital, whatever, is a magnet designated hospital. This is fully recognized by Magnet. And as far as I know, before pa ako lumipat dito, hospital or facility that is Magnet designated or recognized does not condone or tolerate bullying in any of their working environment or facility. That is why when I get here na wala pa akong isang buwan, I was so shocked that this would happen to me. That this is, yung parang ugali ng mga staff. Nakakaloka. On my first day, inirapan na ako. As in, hindi ko na talaga siya feel. But still, I remain calm. I remain, still, sabi kong ganun, parang, I'm hoping that this will change as the time goes by. But as the time goes by, mas lalo siyang lumalala. Nakakaloka. Yes, that is correct. This has something to be discussed first before I leave. Hindi yung parang mawawala na naman ako ng parang bula. Charis! Sabi nga ng isang beshi ko, sabi niyo ganun, Lord God, mag-ano ka, sabihin mo ng maayos, sabihin mo ng hindi yung parang mawawala ka na naman ng parang wala. Charis. Yun, the management will just, I'm sure the management is aware, the upper management in our unit is aware of this. Siguro I will talk to the HR anytime, probably today or on Monday. Kasi pa-end na yung week. So, hindi rin ma-actionan. Baka pag inano ko ngayon is mawala lang on the weekend or over the weekend. I'm gonna go on Monday and report this incidents. If nothing happens, or if HR will just tolerate, or if HR will not even do investigation, I'm just gonna leave. Because this is not worth it of my time, effort, shalak. Diba? Hindi ito, worth it. Kung hindi lang. I'm not sure if I can raise this to the magnet program, but this is really not, or should not be happening in a magnet facility. I'm just, oh my god, akala ko pag nasa magnet facility ka, nothing like this would actually happen. Anyway, basa tayo ng ibang comment. Mahilig magbasa ng comment. Your job isn't worth losing your sanity over. If it's toxic, disrespectful, yes, that is the right word, shalak. Hindi lang ako ganun ka-emotional like how I started before, because I've been in this profession for a very long time already. I've been a nurse in the Philippines, moved to Saudi Arabia for almost 6 years. Have experience in Dayton, Ohio for 2.5 years, or 2 years and 7 months. It's napagdaanan ko na lahat yung parang pag-iyak, being so emotional. That is why I am not so like physically emotional right now. But the right word is, yes, disrespectful. Constantly draining you, walk away, you deserve better. Shalak, yes. Soon, hopefully, we will be walking away. Tight hag nurse can, but I think you should share how they bully you, so nurses who are to work there in the future are guided. That is not all roses to work there. Your honesty is what makes you lovable to us, your follower. Kaya mo yan. That is correct. I was not expecting this, since this is a magnet facility or a magnet designated hospital. For all of you who is not aware what magnet is a world accrediting body organization that accredit hospital facilities or organizations that displays a high nursing excellence, nursing job satisfaction in the area, mga ganon. It's more on nurses. So this is the oh my god. This is a prestigious accreditation body or a parang award sa isang hospital that serves as a proof that this hospital is very good. Very, very nice to work in terms of nursing satisfaction. But, guess what happened to me? Shalak. Yes, please, Nurse Khan, share us a bit of details on how they treated you so that nurses will be aware when we are working in the US soon. I like your vlogs kasi napaka-sincere mo at walang tinatagong kung ano yung na-experience mo dyan. That is correct. I never sugar-coated anything about what is happening in my life. You know what? Some people will just hide this. Diba? Parang sasabihin nila parang nakakahiya or parang ayoko na. I will just keep it to myself or in private. One of the reasons why I started this blogging channel is to share to you my experience. Good or bad, I will share it. Bahala kayong mag-intindi doon. It's up to you if you will be discouraged because it's not about, sabi nga dito, it's not about, roses and red. Basta yun na yun. Basahin ko ulit para maano ko. Red and roses. Huy! Shalak talaga. Basta yun na yun. Hindi ko mabasa. Kaya, bala na. Naubos yung time. Ayun nga guys, as in, So, hindi ko siya ini-expect. Sabi dito, basta pa tayo. Laban, nurse can, iwanan mo na sila, hanap ka ng ibang hospital, nasa maling hospital ka, keep on praying. I am constantly praying, yes. I mean, I love what I'm doing. I love being at the bedside. I am very, very kind-hearted to my patients. As much as I can, I do not anymore display anger or intolerance or lack of patience. You know, I don't take any, maski napakagalit pa yung patient, I'm not anymore taking it personally. You know, try to be calm as much as possible, but you know, things are not perfect, you know? Sometimes, you know? Manny Pacquiao. Ingat, sir. Better to change area. I don't know what area. Is it unit? I cannot change area or unit as of the moment because I'm prohibited to. If you want to change into other area, you need to wait 6 months in that particular area if you want to stay in the system. I mean, system ng company. Hello, RN Ken. Ganun talaga, walang perfect na workplace. Lahat tayo may iba-ibang. Try mo magpa-transfer sa ibang unit. I will try, but I am prohibited to. As per policy, I could not transfer. I need to wait for at least 6 months. Same tayo ng phone nurse can. I love Samsung very much. Wow, even 3 patients commented on it. Your coworkers are definitely talking behind your back. Not only that, for a patient to tell you. It must be very terrible words they use against you. I wonder if it's due to racism. I don't know the specific details, but I don't think you wouldn't gotten a feel if it's due to that. Your friend's advice seems practical and seems to have your best interests at heart. I think this place is beyond help. That is correct. I will still try to raise this issue to the HR, but that is just for me to exhaust my remedies. Exhaust my remedies at all point. And I don't want to think of what if I raise this, what if I raise that. So I am gonna raise this to the Human Resource Department, and if they do nothing, I'm just gonna walk away, right? So, but I don't think that will work. But I will raise this just for the reason of me being able to not satisfy, but at least know that at least I did my best. I did everything that I can in my power to actually resolve the problem and not just walk away. I think this place is beyond help. Hopefully the positions you have applied for are processing soon. Virtual hug, yes, it is processing soon. If I will be jobless for the next 2 weeks, I will have another job in another. If I will not have job within the next 2 to 3 weeks, I will be traveling for sure. Yeah. So my plan is to finish this pay period like this week. Pero pag di na talaga kaya, I will not finish. Baka i-finish ko this week kasi meron na akong 2 shift, and the next week after that, which is 3 shift. So that will be like it will be like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then I will be off from that moment onwards, like for like 5 or 6 days. And then I'm just gonna leave the hospital. Just so I can afford, you know, bills tayo dito, Day. So, yung pay period ko ngayon, yung natanggap ko, is almost mako-cover niya na lahat ng bills for the month of October, and then yung tatanggapin ko for the next pay period, which is yung duty ko ngayon and next week, will cover for November, so that I am covered up until the end of November. Diba? For all the bills going around over here. Diba? In my apartment. So, I will have a much time. Anyway, I'm still protected. I have my emergency fund fully funded. I have my savings. I have everything that I can. I can support myself, in short. So, it's not worth it na parang i-deprive ko or mutsatsahin ko yung sarili ko just because, I don't have enough funds in me, and then titiis-tiisin ko na lang yung pang-aapi nila. Shut up! Pero kaya ko pa namang magtiis for a few shifts. Same tayo ng phone. Thank you. Eto. Dami talagang gas niyan. Bastos ang ugali. Kailangan bastusan talaga para maintindihan nila. If it's just like simple na bastusan, I can take that. But this is more than bastusan, to be honest. Masasagot ko. Pero this is, hindi kasi sila parang, hindi sila parang, if inaano talaga ako, yung parang face to face, I would appreciate that. But why would you talk with, for example, my teacher or my preceptor will talk to another nurse that patients can hear, and patient is very concerned because they know that this is like a magnet facility, this is a better, and they feel that is wrong. That is why they raised it to me like, if you have the option, yung last ko talaga pasyente kahapon, like, I'm very kind, I almost, guys, paglabas ko ng nag-break ako doon sa my car ko. I did my break on my car. On my way to my car, I saw my patient, yung pinaka-last patient ko, and then she hugged me. Thank you so much for your kindness, for your help and everything. I hope you find a better working place than this. I said, I hope so. So, kita nyo, like, oh my God. Ayoko na mag-elaborate about that. Anyway, sabi ko sa'yo, nurse ka, true, may mga edukadong nurses na bastos at balahuraan, yes. Just to clarify, this is not Pinoy nurses. This is not Pinoy nurses, guys. Hindi naman sila yung typical na races, but they are typical, yung mga taong nagtatagal ng more than 15, 16 years na sa ospital. Yan, sila yan. Yung mga, yan, sila. Tapos meron silang grupo. Yes. These are the person. Yung parang, ito yung grupo na to. Tapos pinagkakalat nila sa lahat. And people are now hesitant to like me or maybe approach me, other people who are not within their group, because natatakot what? Natatakot madamay. So, dati, akala ko it's much better to work in this kind of setting or hospital because nagtatagal yung mga nurses. Akala ko maganda yung pamamalakad, kaya nagtatagal. Hindi pala. Nagtatagal sila because they can now do what they want in the area. They can do whatever they like to do. O, diba? Nakakaloka. So, mas mabuti pang mag-apply sa ibang mga area na constantly mataas yung turnover rate because of high patient volume. Hindi siguro nakakatagal yung mga nurses. At least, wala masyadong they call it mafia. Okay, but I don't know. Nurse can, paano ka, anong hospital yan, friend, para maiwasan? I think I don't have to name the hospital. I don't want to name it. Everyone knows. I am in Willowbrook, so for sure, alam nyo. And I'm wearing, alam nyo na yung costume na wini-wear. Because for sure, everyone has the idea where I am working. And kung anong hospital yung involved dito. Okay? So, tama na. Kakain muna ako. Pupunta ako ng gym ngayon. And, do the best thing that we can do in our life. Shut up! Kagabi, I'm already in the birch. As in, konti na lang talaga. I will resign. But I did go to the bathroom, compose myself. After that, lumabas ako ng parang walang nangyari. And then after shift, I went straight to my friend's unit because my friend is working upstairs in our hospital. Tapos, kinausap ko siya, nag-vent out ako maski mga 15 to 20 minutes, and yun nga yung advice niya. Sabi niya, huwag kang magpadalos-dalos. Anyway, you don't have a contract. This is an open, parang contract. You don't have a contract. You can leave anytime if you want to. Okay? But please, huwag kang magpadalos-dalos. You can leave anytime, even next week or even tomorrow. But if I were you, pag-isipan mo yung mga hakbang or yung mga steps mo. Okay? Make a definite plan. Sabi ko, shut up! Let's smile na lang. Okay? Shalak! Let's go to the gym na. Pak, pak, pak. Ano bang gagawin ko ngayon? Probably I will do shoulder and at the same time, chest. Shalak. Ayan. Parang mas naging blooming tayo sa karastresan, no? Charis. Ayan. Kakatapos lang ng aking workout, guys. Shalak. Parang gusto kong bumalik ng Ohio. Shalak. Wala, naisip ko lang. I'm trying to, consider all options that I have right now. Let's see. Pero ngayon, sakay-sakay muna tayo, guys. Pero kung hindi na talaga, I will definitely walk out. But definitely, hindi ako mag-stay dyan for another couple of months. Maybe weeks. Just hanging around there. Just hanging around there. Shut up. O siya, sige na guys, baka malate pa ako. Diyos ko, Lord. Yung uniform ko to, bigay lang to ng friend ko. Friday pa lang ngayon. Okay. Pag Friday, dyan sa pinagtatrabahuan kang hospital, you can wear whatever you want. Like, for as long as scrubs, you can wear white, you can wear whatever scrubs that you wanna wear. Andito na ako, guys. Good luck to me. Shut up! Good luck talaga sa to. Sarili ko siya. Sige na. Shalak. Ayan. Hello guys. Shalak. Di ba na? Ayan. Yeah. I just resigned from my work. So. It was not an easy pero talagang hanggang doon na lang. Like, wala tayong, ayoko nang stressin ng so much ang sarili ko. I mean, if people in that particular area don't like me or don't want my presence or they feel that my presence is very unwanted, then so be it. I mean, I'm just gonna walk away. So right now, I'm officially unemployed. I am not working. I have several interviews and offer that I've already received. I have some interviews coming up or lining up next week. I think Monday or Tuesday. So let's see. What are those? I will decide very soon. But siguro magpapahinga muna ako, like travel, and then after that we can start again by around November, mga ganun, diba? O siya, sige na guys, see you on my next vlog. On my next vlog, ikukwento ko sa inyo kung anong nangyari, how did it happen, and kung bakit tayo umabot sa puntong yon. Okay? Thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat and you have a nice day. Bye-bye. Always remember to choose your peace of mind, to choose yourself. And I know meron tayong iba't ibang sitwasyon sa buhay, and sometimes hindi madaling kumawala sa employer or sa trabaho na parang lalo na kung kailangan natin ng pera at merong mga taong umaasa sa atin. But on the other hand, we also have to choose our own peace of mind, our own self, and self-love, everyone. Shalak! You have a great day. Bye-bye!